Hello and welcome. This is a new week of Workout Wednesday, Power BI edition, and today we're looking at a dynamic slicer to highlight specific month in our line chart. You can here choose which month you want to highlight. There's a simple line chart, we have a reference line, and the annotation will give us the reference difference to our selected value. So, how to do this? Let's see. So, we need to start with a numeric parameter. So, the data is already loaded and we're going to new parameter, numeric range, and we're starting with October 2024 and create a slicer. So there is also already the slicer. We need to amend it a little bit because we also want to have the month in 2025. So instead of just the series here from October last year, we're building a union also to have data here in it until 2025. So unfortunately that is not possible to have here a date slicer to be able to have this one value slicer here. So we need to go with this format here. So we're starting to build our line chart and we are going to have the date here and then the revenue. So yeah, as usually there is some tweaking here on the axis. The axis should start 0 and some other things that we are doing in a second. So how to highlight the special month that we select here. So it is important to have the month year variable here because we're going to use it in a measure. So the highlighted value just takes the selected month of the parameter. Then it filters the revenue of the date to this selected month, and then it returns this revenue just for that selected date. So if we go here to our line chart and we use the measure of the highlighted date, there it is, we can get rid of the legend here, but that's basically the most important thing. When we choose another point, then this is dynamically shifted. So then we need the median as a reference line, which is easy to get, and then also we need to have the data label in addition. I also prepared already the median, which is taking all the data in the revenue table and calculating the median of the revenue. So if we're here and looking at a reference line, the reference line should be an y-axis constant line, and we can here look for the median measure, and then we are getting here the median line. We can choose to have it with a label. The data label is possible to have the data value or the name or both. So let's rename it to median, and then we get here the label. So maybe we want to have it a little bit more thin. So now the data label that needs to be here for the selected ones. This is also pretty straightforward. So we're having the selected months, which is our parameter value. Then we're having the median revenue that we just calculated. Also the selected revenue of this selected month. And then, yeah, it's pretty easy. It's just a relative difference. Revenue selected minus median divided by the median. And then there is some formatting that it's kind of prettier. And then we just need to go here to our data labels, activate it, and then for the revenue we deactivate it again. Also we deactivate the value itself, and just for the detail we are putting the data label in there. No, not for the revenue, of course, but for the highlighted value. Sorry, that again, for the detail we need to have the data label, and yeah, to be able to kind of see it better, we are using here leader lines, and we can choose to create a minimum offset. I think the maximum is here 100. So basically that is it. We have a line chart, we have a median reference line, we have a dynamic slicer, and a dynamic annotation. So have fun implementing this, and yeah, bye bye.